bathroom. I'm not sure if anybody can hear me. Yes, I'm gonna get my eyebrows waxed about 10 minutes away. So, you know, I mean, turn 17 too. I've done it before, so hopefully it won't be as bad as the first time. Okay, so I'm back home. I am not sure how I'm feeling about the eyebrows in this time. I guess they're okay, but I mean, she went away with a piece of my eyebrows right here. So I think it's probably going to be the last time I wax my eyebrow, and plus it was really hot. My eyes were watering throughout that entire process. So it'll be good for the sake of that I had to do it a week in advance before I'm actually going to be able to do my makeup. But yeah, so that's the first part of me actually getting ready for my graduation. Say hi, Ariane. Oh gosh. Yeah, because when I was trying on the wig yesterday to, you know, get it ready, that couldn't put over my head with the big lump them applied. So it is 9:32. Orange is on the road getting his hair did and everything. I'm gonna finish getting myself together. With my hair skin roll. The wig sort out. My makeup artist or my friend. She's running a little bit late. Well, she's running late, so I'm gonna wait on her. I have to wait on her. So I'm just gonna get myself together. I'm going to bed, probably get something to eat. Still have a lot of time. Our pictures is 3. But I mean, we have a little travel, so we definitely want to leave out at least an hour or so beforehand, because traffic is it's month end, so traffic will be on the road like crazy. Plus the journey is at least probably, you know, depending, about 40 minutes or less, but traffic can make it much more, and you don't want the thing to be rushed. You want to reach with adequate time and everything. Plus If we're gonna try work it out good, curfew is 6 p.m. Me the one gonna never knows can be deserve my waffle cone, yes. A long time I've been craving it. I have to stop and get food afterwards, and the place locked down at 6. So we'll have to try maximize on time. So it'd be nice if we reach a little bit earlier. And you know, you don't want to take pictures with a friend or a family or whoever you come with. Probably outside of the gun as well. So take some pictures like that before, and when we get the gun, probably we can thief and take 1 and 2 pictures afterwards. But we not have that much time after we actually reach on campus. But yeah, nothing to get myself together. So it's 10:51 and I'm still waiting. We still have a good amount of time. We need to be there by 3 o'clock. That's our picture time. So still have a lot of time. I just wanted to get some other things done as well. And I mean, she has her makeup and my makeup to do. So I guess I'm a little bit anxious. That's a bad characteristic that I have going on. So I'm just gonna slip back my edges in the meanwhile. I mean, yeah, at least that's one less thing to think about.
But you know, oh, your cover.
It's somebody catch you,
Oh, catch you. Oh.
And the ring road, you go around Shadeka?
No, just drive up a suicide.
Oh.
No, so Shana, where you have
Confusion.
yeah, so you have to go Chinese place. Rather, they go have to go around the world.
Alright, so we just drop you off at suicide.
cute. What you want try?